a very beautiful organization. At the very beginning, I am going to take a class of class 8, subject English 1. As we know that in class 8 we have English 2 and English 1 in a combined subject English, only English. Today I will take English for today, Unit 5, Lesson 1. Here the lesson is making a difference. Lesson 1, the beginning. Now I am going through a process. You have to open your book and page number 45 and you have to go through with me. There is a small village named Bhawanipur in Chennai. এখানে বাংলাদেশে একটা ছোট গ্রাম আছে যার নাম হচ্ছে ভবানীপুর ঝিনাইদহ। It's a very typical Bangladeshi village. এটা বাংলাদেশের একটি খুবই সাধারণ গ্রাম। People here spend their day-to-day life mostly working in the fields and doing household work. এখানকার মানুষজন প্রধানত তাদের মাঠে কাজ করে এবং গৃহস্থলে কাজকাম করে তাদের সময়টা কাটায়। In this ordinary village, there lives an ordinary woman named Shamima Akhtar Maya. এই সাধারণ গ্রামে একজন অসাধারণ নারী বাস করে যার নাম হচ্ছে শামিমা আক্তার মায়া। Shamima's willpower and determination have made her extraordinary. শামিমার ইচ্ছাশক্তি এবং দৃঢ় সংকল্প তাকে অসাধারণ করেছে। She has seen the most cruel aspect of life. সে তার জীবনের নিষ্ঠুরতম দিকগুলো দেখেছে। But the cruelty could not defeat her spirit. কিন্তু তার এই যে নিষ্ঠুরতা এটা তার জীবনকে থামিয়ে রাখতে পারেনি। She has come out as a winner, defying all the odds of life. সে তার জীবনে জয়ী হয়েছে সকল বাধাকে অতিক্রম করে। Shamima is now 32 years old. Shamima এখন 32 বছর বয়স। She has only one son named Ashikur Rahman Konok. তার একমাত্র পুত্র সন্তান আছে, তার নাম হচ্ছে আশিকুর রহমান কনক। She runs a small boutique called ঐক্য নারী কল্যাণ সংস্থা in her village. তার গ্রামে সে একটি ছোট বুটিক চালায়, তার নাম হচ্ছে ঐক্য নারী কল্যাণ সংস্থা। Let's hear from Shamima. চলো শামিমার মুখ থেকে শুনি। She has succeeded in setting up her boutique. সে তার বুটিকে সাফল্য অর্জন করেছে কিভাবে? Adapted from প্রথম আলো June 17, 2005. এটা সংকলিত হয়েছে 2005 সালের 17 জুনের প্রথম আলো থেকে। By the end of the reading of this passage, we came to know that here we are going to discuss about a ordinary woman named Shamima Akhtar. He has lots of miseries in her life, but at the very end of her life, she became succeed. At the age of 32, she is now running a independent business of her own. By the end of this lesson reading, we came to know that it's very important for making our willpower and empowerment of women in our society. Now, students, as we know that from this same passage, we have got 3 options. 1, multiple choice. 2, question answers, short question answers. And 3, fill in the blanks. Now, we're going to discuss about some difficult words from this passage. Now I am going to write some difficult words of this passage with the Bengali meaning. আদর্শ or সাধারণ সাধারণ সচরাচর আমরা যে things we can see surrounding us we can say that typical. Now the next word is household. Household means গৃহস্থলী সংক্রান্ত। Ordinary সাধারণ। Extraordinary অসাধারণ। Typical means আদর্শ, household গৃহস্থলী সংক্রান্ত, ordinary সাধারণ, extraordinary অসাধারণ, will power ইচ্ছা শক্তি, determination স্থির সংকল্প, cruel নিষ্ঠুর, aspect দৃষ্টিভঙ্গি. From this passage we can get these words and we have to keep our mind these meanings for our next questions and or MCQ or fill in the blanks. Now I can erase the board. Now it's time for go to the next question. Today we will discuss about some short question answers. From this passage, the first question I am going to write in the board. Questions. The first question is, what did Shamima experience? What did Shamima experience? By the reading of this passage, we know that what did she experience from her life. Now I am going to answer the question. Shamima experienced the most life. She has experienced the 12 aspects of life. By these verses, we came to know about Shamima. What did Shamima experience? শামিমার কি অভিজ্ঞতা হয়েছে? যা আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি যে আমি এখানে লিখেছি শামিমা তার জীবনের কঠিনতম দিকগুলো দেখেছে। Now I am going to the next question. Question number 2. What kind of woman is Shamima? What kind of woman is Shamima? Shamima ki dhoroner nari? Now I am going to write the answer of this question. Shamima is an extraordinary woman. Here we can see that Shamima is an extraordinary woman. Shamima, our question is that what kind of woman is Shamima? Shamima ki dhoroner meye? Shamima is an extraordinary woman. Shamima হচ্ছে একজন অসাধারণ নারী. Now I am going to write the third question. What does Shamima do now? Shamima এখন what is Shamima doing now? Shamima এখন কি করছে? By the reading of this passage, all of us, I think, we know that what is Shamima's task now? What is Shamima doing now? I think all of you can answer this question. And now I am writing the answer of this question. Shamima runs a small boutique in her village. Shamima তার গ্রামে একটি বুটিক চালাচ্ছে. She is running her own business in her village. Now I am erasing this three questions and answers. We have another two questions answer from this passage. Now I am writing the fourth question. What do you understand by day-to-day life? What do you understand by day-to-day life? Day-to-day life means day-to-day life means everyday life. থেকে এটা মিন করছে যে দৈনন্দিন জীবন ব্যবস্থা, দৈনন্দিন জীবন পদ্ধতি। Next, this is the fifth question and the last short question answer. Now I am going to write question number 5. How did Shamima become winner? This is the most vital question of this process, that how she became winner and succeed in her life. Now I am going to write the answer of this question. By defying all odds of life, she has become winner. By defeating all odds of life, she has become winner. সকল বাধা বিপত্তি অতিক্রম করে সে তার জীবনে জয়ী হয়েছে। Now I think the students, you can understand the questions and answer from these passages. In our exam, we can think that this kind of questions you may face. Other students, as you know that is the most difficult situation of our life, and everybody is facing this problem. The COVID-19 makes our life so much tough and difficult. For this reason, we have added such kinds of programs for keeping the students like you to keep home, to keep safe. Now I am going to discuss about the fill in the blanks, which is from this test. We may say it in the answer script. Now I am going to write a gap, which is which we can see in the question number 3. Without close, we will get these gaps, but you will not get any close. You will get this gap, fill in the blanks from the textbook English for Today class 8. Now I am going to write such kind of fill in the blanks on the board. We have a rich history and dash of folk songs in Bangladesh. You have to say what would be the correct word for filling the gap. Now the second sentence is, The next sentence is of them folk songs of them Polligiti, Bachiyali, Bhavaya, Jari, Shari, Gambira and songs of number B dash are very dash. Here I want to explain a thing about writing rules of the AP. If we see that before the gap we have the number A, B, C or 1, 2, 3. If we see that kind of points and numbers, we at the time of writing only the answers, we can write only the numbers or points and write the answers. At the very end of this giving the answer, I will show you how to write the answer in the answer script. Is that clear? Now the fourth line. The dash musical instruments are dash played with these songs. Here we can see that we have a rich history of dash of folk songs in Bangladesh. Of them, Polligiti, Bachiyali, Bhavaya, Jari, Shari, Gambira and songs of dash are very dash. The dash musical instrument are dash played with these songs. Now I am writing the answers of this fill in the blanks. Is the first process of writing the answer. If you want to pick up your questions on your answer script, you can write in this way that you have to write all these ABs and write the answer like me. The history and collection. Rich history and collection of folk songs. Now next, number B, songs of Hasan Raja. Hasan Raja are very popular. Now the traditional musical instruments are usually played with these songs. Is the first process of writing the AP without close. If we have the numbers or alphabets like this A, B, C, D, E. Is that clear? Now I am going to show you the next process of writing fill in the blanks. You have to write the question number first, then you can write in this way A, B, C, D, E. And you can write in this way that first answer is collection, next Hasan Raja, number C, popular traditional. The last is usually. In this way, but you have to keep in your mind that you cannot write these two process together. Step clear? You have to choose only one process. You can write in this way or in this way, not in two altogether. Is that clear? Now I am going to erase the wood. I think all of the students can understand what I have told. Now I am going to discuss it again that you can write, you can follow the first process or the second process. Now from this comprehension in our exam we can get another on topics is that choose the best answers or best meaning of the given words. You will get it in your first question number 1. Now I am going to write the options. This topic is according to the word meaning, so that after reading the passage I have discussed about the word meaning. Now I am going to write some examples like these words you can see in the exam. So I am going to start writing the question number 1. Shamima is an extraordinary person. Here is the underline under extraordinary. Shamima is an extraordinary person. You have to say the meaning of extraordinary. Now I am writing 4 options under this line. Unusual, number B. Famous, number C. Usual, number D. Infamous. Extraordinary means unusual, famous, usual, infamous. You have to choose the closest meaning of the underlined word. Extraordinary. The closest meaning of extraordinary is usual. You have to put tick in the word usual. Do you understand? I think you understand that Shamima is an extraordinary person. Extraordinary means usual. Okay? Now,
extraordinary means বাংলাটা usual to the same বাংলায় ট্রান্সলেট করে দেন।
Shamima is an extraordinary person. Shamima হচ্ছে একজন অসাধারণ ব্যক্তি। এটার সবচেয়ে কাছের যে ওয়ার্ড মিনিংটা হবে সেটাই আমাদেরকে লিখতে হবে। এখানে তোমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছ যে ফেমাস, ইউজুয়াল। ফেমাস তোমরা ব্যবহার করতে পারো এক্সট্রাঅর্ডিনারির ক্ষেত্রে, সিনোনিমাস হিসাবে আমরা ব্যবহার করতে পারি ফেমাস, বিখ্যাত। আনইউজুয়াল এন্ড ইনফেমাস নো নিড টু ইউজ ইউজুয়াল, সাধারণ। কিন্তু আমাদেরকে ইউজুয়াল শব্দটা চুজ করতে হয়েছে, তার কারণ হচ্ছে এটা হচ্ছে সবচেয়ে ক্লোজেস্ট মিনিং ইউজুয়াল, এই জন্য আমরা ইউজুয়ালটাকে সিলেক্ট করেছি। নাও আই এম গোয়িং টু দ্য নেক্সট ওয়ার্ড। Number 2, Bhawanipur is a typical Bangladeshi. Bhawanipur is a typical Bangladeshi village. Here is the underline under typical. You have to say the underline words meaning. It's the same process. Bhawanipur একটি সাধারণ অথবা আদর্শ বাংলাদেশি গ্রাম। Bhawanipur is a typical Bangladeshi gram. Here is the topics options are common, simple, amazing, normal. We can say that the answer is simple, সাধারণ। ভবানীপুর গ্রামটি হচ্ছে বাংলাদেশের একটি খুবই সাধারণ গ্রাম। Now, the next question number 3 is the people of determination succeed in the wrong run. The people of determination succeed in the long run. যেসব মানুষরা দৃঢ় সংকল্পবদ্ধ থাকে তারা তাদের জীবনে ভবিষ্যতে যে উন্নতি করে। The underlined word is determination. Willpower, number B. Weakness, number C. Strong desire, number D. Wish. Here I have written 4 options: willpower, weakness, strong desire, wish. Here would be the correct or closest meaning of determination is strong desire. As we know that determination means dৃঢ় সংকল্প, and the another meaning is a strong desire. দৃঢ় ইচ্ছা, desire means আশা, মানুষ যেটা দৃঢ়ভাবে আশা পোষণ করছে, that called determination. The same synonymous or closest meaning of determination is close, strong, desire. Now I'm going to the next option.
You have 2 minutes in your hand. Just 2 minutes.
Now I'm writing the last option. The tragedy in Shamima's life could not The tragedy in Shamima's life could not defeat her fate. The options are A. Ghost, B. Soul, C. Strength, D. Wisdom. You have to say that the most closest meaning or synonymous of spirit is strength, শক্তি. শামিমার ট্র্যাজেডিটা কিভাবে জীবনে উন্নতি করতে সহায়তা করেছে সেটা হচ্ছে তার স্পিরিট, মানে শক্তি, তার যে দৃঢ় শক্তিটা ছিল সেটা থেকে তার জীবনের সকল ট্র্যাজেডি সে মোকাবেলা করে সামনে চলে এসেছে এবং তার জীবনে সফলতা অর্জন করেছে।
শেষ করে দেন মিস।
Now I have to end of my class from this unit 5 lesson 1. We today we learned about the word meaning, fill in the blanks, and MCQ. And I think that it will be helpful for your exam and for your test. And but at the ending of this session, I would like to thanks for watching, and the main topics of our task is that stay home and stay safe. Thank you.